Live streaming on Twitch or anywhere can be fun, but it has its own set of challenges, especially if you're just starting out. How's it going, everyone? My name is Don and I wanted to share my streaming experience that I started 6 months ago with you guys. And here's a few things that I wish I knew before I actually started out streaming. So the first one off the bat is that there are a lot of free resources online for you to use, whether it be graphics, alerts, music, copyright free music that is. It's just waiting for you guys to take advantage of. There are many YouTubers out there, big famous ones like Alpha Gaming, Quirky Pixel, Gaia Level, Ashley Christ. These guys give us so much information for you to use. All you need to do is listen and apply it onto your streams. Okay, so that was a simple one. Now a big one is fancy equipment. Now you've seen your friends have massive rigs, bloody towers when it comes to gaming setups, right? And you're sitting here wondering if your laptop would actually run anything or if it's even capable of streaming. 8 out of 10 times, your laptop could actually run your stream. Now you might not be able to play the high-end graphics like Cyberpunk, but you can still run a good stream. So don't worry about having the latest equipment, the latest mics, the latest cameras and whatnot. When I started out, I used my laptop webcam. Now the quality wasn't great, but it's doable, it's manageable, and people still stuck around, so thank you for whoever stuck around. But I'd say the first thing to invest in would be a mic. Now you don't need to buy a massive like Rode mic that's gonna put you in debt. You could get a nice little USB mic off Amazon. Now don't go for the cheapest one because obviously you still want to get some sort of quality into your stream. So the cheaper one would just distort your sound quality. I'll leave a link to the mic that I used below. I'll also leave a link to what Harris Heller, Alpha Gaming did about mics. That's interesting to watch as well. So you can pick and choose basically. But invest in a mic because audio first, visual can come later. The main part of streaming is, okay, you want to get the high views, the subs, the followers. The main thing is to build a good community around you. Now, I started to think quality over quantity. Now, for example, you could have 1,000 followers, but there could be 1,000 trolls. So what's the point, right? You're just not gonna have fun when you go on stream and everyone's just trolling you in chat. So even if it takes time, make sure to build a good community around you. And a good way to keep people engaged in you when you're off stream is have a Discord server or have social media posts so that people know what you get up to when you're not streaming, and you can post updates and stuff like that. So that really helps. Another point would be, if you're just starting out and you have zero like social media presence, like nothing, and you're starting out streaming, the money that you make is not going to be much, and that's the hard truth. Some months you're going to have good months where you break that $100 threshold because people gave you gifts, gifted subs or bits. Some months you're not going to have it. And that's the harsh truth about being a streamer. Like, this is not a full-time job unless like you're a big streamer and you have a partnered contract with Twitch, fine, it's a full-time job. But until you get to that point, it's not a full-time job. This is a hobby. You shouldn't depend on this for money. That's my opinion. This point is actually quite interesting to me, and I never thought about it in this way, right? I was on Nutty's stream. I'll leave the link to his stream below. And he raised this point where it says you don't have to start with 0 viewers, which was interesting to me because I never thought about it this way. So what he said was that you need to jump into like other people's streams, get to know people, basically network, but just don't be a dick and self-promote. Like if they allow self-promotion, fine, but don't be that douchebag that goes, hey, I'm streaming and don't. It's mainly to be a part of their community, and that's also like make a sincere effort into being part of their community. Not just for like followers. And then once you start streaming, you already have sort of a base audience. I know people that had 200 followers even before they started streaming. And that's because they were part of other different communities on Twitch, which was amazing to see. So yeah, you don't actually have to start with 0 viewers. Who would have thought? Alright, so at this point I realized while editing this that I didn't actually film a proper outro. But basically, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's free, so why not? And if you don't like it, you can unsubscribe later. If you want to join the Discord server as well, it's down in the description below, along with all my other social media links. And if you've thought about streaming and you have any questions, yeah, let me know down below in the comments. I'll answer all of them. Do the best of my abilities. That's about it. I'll see you guys soon.